Welcome back to the tutorial on how to create UI icons. This time, I'll be creating a mail or message icon, so let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, let's go ahead and import the sketch by pressing the Ctrl and I keys at the same time. Let's zoom out on the sketch first so we can see it more clearly. Let's start with the rectangle object. I use a stroke width of 2 pixels. Align the line segment we created with the grid lines. Now, let's draw a center line on the envelope. So I adjusted the spacing to keep it balanced. Well, it looks better now, so let's delete the sketch part. Then we duplicate the icon we just created by pressing Ctrl+D. Now add a color fill to the inside. Then select the box. Go to the Path tab, and choose Stroke and Path. Then we select the stroke and the inner part. Go to the Path tab, and select Union. Then we pull the line so that it extends beyond the box. Next, go to the Path tab and select Stroke to Path. Then select both the line and the block. Go to the Path tab and choose Stroke to Path. And here are the results. Oh, and you can download the icon guide from the link in the description. Thank you.